Today I'm gonna show you how to make money cleaning windows or clean your own shit. What you're gonna need is a bucket. This one came from the Dollar Tree. It's a cheap fucking bucket. You're gonna need, I use sparkle. You don't have to mix it with nothing. It's a whole gallon of fucking sparkle. Purple. Glass cleaner. Dump that shit in the bucket. Squeeze it a little bit and then fucking go out fast. That's right. Just like that. Now, save your fucking gallon so that you can put your leftover cleaner when you're done back in your thing and use it again. You get a little bit more bang for your buck. You're gonna add a little bit of water, even though this shit don't need to be mixed. Water it down. Ain't gonna hurt shit. That's right, just like that. Next thing you're gonna need is a roll of shop towels. Get the blue ones, because they don't leave lint on the window and shit. They make nice fucking streak free, no lint on the window and shit. Next thing you're gonna need is a squeegee. These right here come from a local hardware store. It's got your squeegee on one side, your scrubber on one side, and fucking the bitch is extendable so you can make it short or long. And then cleaning windows, if you're doing it for somebody else, usually people charge about $10 on each side of the window. So if you do 10 windows, that's $100 on one side. And you do both sides of them, that's $200. For 10 windows, you do 20, you make $400. Vice versa, like that. So you fucking make $20 on a window to do both sides. It should take you less than 10 minutes. And shit, yeah. So this is what you're gonna do. Grab your bucket. Oh, this right here is just to knock the big nasty shit off. First thing you're gonna do is take your water hose and spray the window off real good. Get the big shit off. Pile of dirt, anything like that. Next thing I do, scrub and squeeze it with this, and then mist it with this fucking perfect glass. Like that, and squeeze it again, and then fucking take your fucking blue towel, and I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright. Alright. So now we're gonna fucking scrub that window and shit. Dip your shit down in your cleaner, like that, and come over to your window and just scrub the motherfucker. Like that. Just like that. Now, turn your squeegee over. Pull that shit to the bottom. I like carrying a fucking rag in my pocket, so every time you make that first wipe, you fucking wipe it off. Round down it. Like that. Right. You can come across the bottom too like this. Whatever it takes to get that shit off of there. Now, give it a couple of mists of your perfect glass. Come back up there. Squeeze that shit off. Hear that squeaky noise? That means this shit's squeaky clean. shorten your shit up like that. Just like that. Now that you done squeezed your shit off, you're gonna fucking get you a couple of these blue shop towels. Like that. You're gonna walk up here and look real close at the window. See any little wet spots? Fucking wipe them off. And that's it. $10. $10 took less than 5 minutes. So, scrub it with your squeegee and your sparkle cleaner in your bucket. Squeegee that shit off. Mix it a little bit with some good other glass cleaner, like Perfect Glass. Squeegee it one more time and walk back and look for the little places and wipe it with your blue shop cloth. That's how you clean a window. It works on your car, your house, your shop, your business, anywhere, inside, outside. So, if you like that video and you want to fucking learn how to do anything else, watch some more of that 270 fucking videos, and I'll show you how to make some money. Like that sunroom right there. It got 14 windows. At $280. It take about an hour. So, have a good day. Subscribe to Get Go TV, and leave a comment if you got a question on how to clean windows or whatever, and hit the like button and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.